Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the kitchen again and today I am making brown stew chicken with roast breadfruit. So continue watching guys. I'm going to share with you the seasonings that I used and also how I prepare my brown stew chicken for a delicious and nice taste. So continue watching, join me in the kitchen and let's start. So I'm going to season my chicken using some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, some complete seasoning, some onion powder, so I have some scallion, thyme, ginger, pepper, onion and garlic. I'm gonna combine everything now. I'm going to use some vegetable oil to fry the chicken for a while. So I'm going to evenly fry the chicken for a while before adding water or before adding anything at all or even before covering it. And this is just one way how I prepare my brown stew chicken, and it really depends on what I'm going to serve it with. So after adding all my seasonings and ingredients, I'm now doing the taste test. And as you can see, the chicken is cooked to perfection, and I'm gonna serve this with some roast breadfruit from Jamaica. So this is basically how I prepare my brown stew chicken, guys. Leave a like if you enjoy the video, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.